And this is your daily dose of internet.
Ended.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, this is Corpse. Okay, what's up, yo? Hi, YouTube. How y'all? What?
Unfortunately, Daily Dose of Internet is sick and his voice isn't doing very well. But he got a few YouTubers to help out with today's video.
This surfer was about to get swallowed by this giant wave.
I've heard this fool. I forgot. Giant wave.
When someone on a jet ski came to the rescue.
Okay, I'm gonna get hate for this, but okay, is that one of the dudes from like the TikToker dudes? It's so not, but that's my guess because I don't know. The dudes that do Factor Cat. I'm gonna get on the jet ski, you goober. Get on the jet ski. 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 I'd be crying. I'd be crying. I was a surfer. I'm like trying to grab on a fucking jet ski. Oh my god, bro. That's what's up.
This girl gave a priest a high five while he was giving her a blessing.
This person came home to visit her family for Christmas. Her family was afraid of catching the virus, so the entire house was sectioned off with plastic. The family even gave her an observation window, so that maybe she can feel included.
Huh? An observation. Wow.
Observation virus of the. This person came home to visit her family for Christmas. Her family was afraid of catching the virus, so the entire house was sectioned off with plastic. The family even gave her an observation window, so that maybe she can feel included.
Imagine if she was fat. They would have been like, yo, you can't come. There's no way. You're going to take up the whole stairway. Imagine.
These guys were pulled over by the police because they were speeding. They were completely sober and weren't under the influence of anything and could not stop laughing when the officer started talking to them.
Hey, sir.
Hello, sir. How you doing?
Hi, do you know why I pulled you over today?
No clue, man. I'm sorry.
What's so funny?
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Sorry.
Yeah.
You doing good?
What the fuck?
Yo, you want to take it?
People don't normally think it's this funny when they get stopped by law enforcement.
No, this guy, he's just been laughing all day. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
This deer was stuck in a frozen...
Yo, they got a fat ticket. Yo, they got a stupid hot, bro. They paid for like half their cities, like tax. And that one ticket, or all three of their tickets, they paid for like half. Oh, what the fuck, bro? Bro, that cop got him for speeding, for harassment. Motherfucker told on the sheriff on him too. It's like fucking got their license plate like on watch.
lake, but these people were kind enough to...
I think it's just funny when they get stopped by law enforcement.
No, this guy, he's just been laughing all day. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yo, oh, what the fuck, bro? Oh my god, Jesus. Jeepers, jeepers, jeepers. Oh, okay, I'm good, we're good.
move it off.
Wow, dude, wow, that was crazy.
You're welcome.
It looks like the police caught the Grinch this year up to no good.
This person got a Zelda pot that shows a surprise inside when it breaks open.
What? He's just wrapping his ass on the whole.
This
fucking-
guy
oh, this is
knows how to
disgusting.
draw a perfect circle.
It's not. Look. Ha! Clapped, bitch. You see that little line right there? I could do it. Oh, wait, hold on. Fuck, I did in that David Dobrik video. I did it fucking perfectly. I don't think I've ever hit that level of like excellence with that shit ever in my life again. Like I don't think I ever have, and I don't think I ever will. Like this was immaculate. What the okay? But that shit, like, I mean, look, you clapped that, you fucked that shit out.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
So why didn't you do the whole video? Like what?
These are the people who work on the front lines. We need a network that's built right. That's why we created.
Oh, this ad? Alright.